Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable auto-renew on the Ring app, follow these step-by-step instructions to prevent automatic subscription renewals. Step 1. Open the Ring app on your smartphone and ensure you're logged in with the account that has the active subscription. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the main menu. Step 3. Select Account Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Navigate to the Subscriptions or Plans section, where you can see your active Ring Protect plans. Step 5. Select the subscription you want to modify and look for auto-renewal settings. Step 6. Toggle off the auto-renew option or select Cancel Auto-Renewal to disable automatic billing. Step 7. Confirm your choice when prompted. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for confirmation from Ring that auto-renewal has been disabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.